Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, I'll cover the World Heritage Sites in India. This topic is very useful for all competitive examinations. Let's get into the video. Now, what is a World Heritage Site? So, World Heritage Site, it is a landmark or area selected by UNESCO. The full form of UNESCO is United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization. So these sites or these area which are having cultural, historical, scientific and any other form of significance, and these sites is legally protected by international treaties. That means no country will take part in its affairs. So these are called World Heritage Sites. Now World Heritage Day is celebrated every year on April 18th. Coming to our country, India has 37 World Heritage Sites. Among them, 29 are cultural sites, 7 are natural sites, and 1 is mixed site. Cultural sites which are constructed in ancient times. Natural sites means natural parks, forests, wildlife sanctuaries, etc. All these. Mixed site means this site having both cultural and natural significance. Now, which city has highest heritage sites? Italy. So these are cultural heritage sites. First one, Agra Fort. It is in Uttar Pradesh. I am adding images as well so you can easily remember. The question in the exam will be asked like this. So where is Agra Fort situated? You will be given 4 options. Among them you should have to choose which state. Next one, Ajanta Caves in Maharashtra. Here the year mentions it recognition by UNESCO. So UNESCO recognized Ajanta Caves in 1983 as World Heritage Site. You don't need to remember these years. You just have to remember the site and its place. Next, archaeological site of Nalanda Mahavira at Nalanda, Bihar. Buddhist monuments at Sanchi, Madhya Pradesh. Just remember the site name and the state. Next, Champaner Pavagad Archaeological Park in Gujarat. Next, Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminus, Mumbai, formerly Victoria Terminus. It is in Mumbai or Maharashtra. Next, churches and convents of Goa. These are built by Portuguese rulers. Elephanta Caves in Maharashtra. Ellora Caves in Maharashtra. Next, Fatehpur Sikri in Uttar Pradesh. Great Living Chola Temples in Tamil Nadu. It means this includes all the temples constructed by Chola rulers. And one more thing, if any question regarding temples in World Heritage Sites will be asked, then the answer will be Tamil Nadu. Because in India, Tamil Nadu will be having more number of temples than any other state. Group of monuments at Hampi, Karnataka. Again, group of monuments at Mahabalipuram, Tamil Nadu. Group of monuments at Pattadakal, Karnataka. They include group of monuments means not only single temple. They include the construction of ancient buildings, ancient temples and ancient sites. Next, hill forts of Rajasthan. It includes 7 forts. Historic city of Ahmedabad. And Ahmedabad is the only heritage city in India. The city which is recognized by UNESCO as World Heritage Site. Humayun's Tomb in Delhi. Khajuraho group of monuments in Madhya Pradesh. Mahabodhi Temple Complex at Bodh Gaya, Bihar. Next, Mountain Railways of India, Maharashtra. It was not only in Maharashtra and northeastern states as well, like Darjeeling Railways. Qutub Minar and its monuments in Delhi. Rani Ki Vav, the Queen's Step Well at Patan, Gujarat. Red Fort Complex, Delhi. Rock shelters of Bhimbetka, these are the caves of Madhya Pradesh. Next, Sun Temple, Konark in Odisha. Taj Mahal in Uttar Pradesh. The architectural work of Le Corbusier, an outstanding contribution to the modern movement. These are the modern structures constructed in Chandigarh. The Jantar Mantar in Jaipur. Next, Victorian Gothic art and Art Deco ensembles of Mumbai. It got its heritage site it was recognized as heritage site in 2018. Next, the natural sites, which are 7 in number. Great Himalayan National Park, Conservation Area, Kulu, Himachal Pradesh. Kaziranga National Park in Assam. Keoladeo National Park, Bharatpur in Rajasthan. Manas Wildlife Sanctuary in Assam. Nanda Devi and Valley of Flowers National Parks, Chamoli District, Uttarakhand. Sundarbans National Park in West Bengal. Next, Western Ghats, known as Sahyadri Mountains. The mixed heritage site is Kanchenjunga National Park in Sikkim. It has both cultural and natural significance. And Kumbh Mela, which is organized in every 12 years in different holy places in India, like Allahabad in UP, Ujjain in Madhya Pradesh, Haridwar in Uttarakhand, and Nashik in Maharashtra. It is selected as UNESCO Intangible Cultural Heritage List in 2007. And it was also held Guinness Book of World Record by any holy place which was visited by many number of people. Friends, that's all the World Heritage Sites in India. If you find my video useful, please subscribe to our channel Yogaram Education. Thank you all.